of fulcrum. Lever is of three types. Lever of first order. See the position of fulcrum. It is in between effort and load. Lever of second order. See the position of load. It is in between effort and fulcrum. Lever of third order. The effort is in between fulcrum and load. Let's learn about lever of first order. The lever in which the load and effort are on either side of fulcrum is called first kind of lever. The lever that we have discussed so far is related to this category only. See this here, fulcrum is in between both sides of the load and effort. Let's see another example. See, this is a scissor. This is the fulcrum of the scissor. This is where you apply the effort, and from here the load apply. This is effort arm, and this is load arm. The effort arm may be less than, or more than, or equal to the load arm. Its MA is less than 1, or greater than 1, or equals to 1, depending upon the position of fulcrum from load and effort, but the fulcrum is in between load and effort. Other first order levers are seesaw. Here, this is the fulcrum, and here is the load, and here is the effort. In common balance, this is the fulcrum, and here is the load, and here is the effort. Let us see lever of second order. See this wheelbarrow. This is the fulcrum, and this is the load, and this is the effort to move. In first order, fulcrum is in between load and effort, whereas in second order, load is in between fulcrum and effort. Therefore, the lever in which the fulcrum and effort are on either side of load is second order of lever. This is effort arm, and this is load arm. The load arm is always smaller than the effort arm. Its MA is more than 1. Another example is bottle opener. This is the fulcrum. Here the load apply when effort is done from this end to open the bottle. Let us see lever of third order. When the effort is in between the fulcrum and the load, it is called third kind of lever. This is effort arm, and this is load arm. The effort arm is always smaller than the load arm. Its MA is less than 1. See here, the arm is lifting the weight. Here this the fulcrum, and this is the load, and here is the effort in between fulcrum and load. See this fishing rod. Here this the fulcrum, and this is the load, and here is the effort in between fulcrum and load.